Sneaky! Freddie! How you doing with the fireworks? Is it still going on? Not today. In fact, there's no fireworks out there. They're coming in this area. I mean, if it goes. Sometimes fireworks can be a very jumpy, scary, that goes. When we were afterwards, we were like, somewhat very scared there. Yeah. Alright. You don't have to worry about the fear that it looks like. Anyone could be really scared for any sorts of materials, especially if aliens. Well, those of you new to the celebration. Fireworks are great, but don't go too close there. Otherwise, injuries that could have gone a lot worse than that. Yeah, just stay away from that and enjoy the show. Depending on which area, for all the Americans out there. I bet it, yeah, even some I'm in foreign countries I don't know. You can still enjoy this. Yeah. Hey, I wonder how the fireworks are. Well, look at the streets and all the town that I fixed it. Oh! Sounds like firework bombs. Yeah. I see. Okay. This is going to be quite a while before we even have some fireworks show. Yeah. Hey. Even if it might be tough, but you can still look at the night sky and, hey, even some stargazing too. And it is happy 4th of July, everybody, and as well as America 200th birthday. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the fireworks. Depending on which area, we made this country grow and glow.